come and get your some, come and get your some. Come and get your some, come and get your candy. Come and get your some, come and get your some. Come and get your some, come and get your some.
After one of America's most popular medical doctors and days on TV talk show host called African Mango. A miracle in your medicine cabinet that can help you lose 10 pounds. Sales of the supplement have skyrocketed, making it now one of the most popular weight loss products in America today. Internet searches reveal countless blog postings and Facebook messages calling African Mango the hottest new way to lose weight and a weight loss supplement without side effects. Beyond the success stories on social networking sites, new clinical research shows African Mango may indeed be the real deal when it comes to causing fast weight loss. According to a recent study published in the scientific journal Lipids and Health and Disease, African Mango extracts help men and women lose an average of 8.9 pounds of unhealthy body weight in just 28 days. What's more, those taking African Mango lost a remarkable average of 2.4 inches from their waistline as well as an average of 1.8 inches from their hips. And their bad LDL, cholesterol, triglycerides, and glucose levels plummeted. Despite the recent frenzy surrounding African Mango and its weight loss benefits, the fruit has actually been used as a diet for centuries in Cameroon, Africa, one of the only places in the world where African mango is grown. The brightly colored tropical fruit is found mostly in Cameroon's west coastal rainforest. African mango or bush mango differs from other mango fruits in that it produces a peculiar seed, which natives of Cameroon refer as pecan nuts. For hundreds of years, an extract from the seeds called Erwinia gabonensis have been used among Cameroon regions for its wide-ranging medicinal benefits, which range from reducing and preventing obesity to lowering cholesterol to treating infections. A miraculous fruit called African Mango is replacing many of the traditional methods of losing weight. America has a $40 billion diet industry, selling various approaches to weight loss at a very high price. These include drugs, surgical procedures, and new diet fads, all of which do not appear to have tackled the current obesity problem that is so widespread in America. Dr. Mehmet Oz referred to it as a breakthrough supplement on his award-winning show. The extract from the African mango is referred to as Erwinia gabonensis. It became popular after he mentioned it. Dr. Tanya Edwards, a leading medical contributor on the show, referred to the extract as a miracle pill, saying that she used it and it helped her to lose 7 pounds within 1 month without going on an additional diet or exercising. In her groundbreaking report, she claims that participants in the study lost a shocking 3,990% in extra intake. The report was documented in the Scientific Journal of Lipids and Health and Disease. The supplement was taken by men and women for a period of 28 days. The placebo group lost 0.22 pounds, while the African mango extract group lost 8.9 pounds. Aside from the weight loss, all participants who took the tablet 30 minutes prior to mealtime saw an average of 2.4 inches from their waistline and 1.8 inches from their hips. They also saw a reduction in their triglycerides, glucose, and bad cholesterol levels. The fruit's weight loss capabilities are not a new concept. It originates from Cameroon and has been used there for centuries. The fruit seed extract has been used for a broad range of medicinal benefits, which range from its ability to reduce cholesterol, prevent obesity, and regulate blood sugar disorders. While a popular weight loss treatment in Africa, African mango only recently became popular in America when on September 13, 2010, the Slimming Superfruit was featured in one of America's most popular daytime TV shows. On the show, the host is also one of America's preeminent medical doctors called African Mango, a breakthrough supplement, and a miracle in your medicine cabinet which can help you lose 10 pounds.
Other leading doctors have similar high praise for African Mango. Dr. Judith Ngondi, a physician and professor of biochemistry at Cameroon University of Yaoundé, calls African Mango a highly effective natural alternative for reducing body fat and improving overall health. Studies have shown supplementation significantly reduced body weight, total blood cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, says Dr. Ngondi. Its use should be further encouraged for the purposes of control of dietary lipids as well as for weight reduction.
Move if you wanna, if you wanna, if you wanna move, move if you wanna, if you wanna, if you wanna move, move if you wanna, if you wanna, if you wanna move, move if you wanna, move if you wanna move.
Move if you wanna, if you wanna, if you wanna move.